I'm loving the food. Hey guys, so I am back. As you guys already know, I am in New York City and I am here for work, but I have been exploring the city a lot for fashion, lifestyle, and also food. So I have been trying a lot of cuisines these days, be it Italian, Mexican, Chinese, Thai, and obviously hot dogs and burgers. But I have been recently craving a lot of Indian food, so I found this. The interior was traditional Indian setup with wall paintings capturing scenes from various states of India, and the food was full of rich Indian flavor. And if you are searching for something spicy, don't forget to try chicken vindaloo there. It was awesome. So Applebee's was a typical American restaurant with colorful, vibrant ambience. Visit this place if you have a lot of time in hand because this place is hugely crowded. And yes, don't forget to try their Impossible Burger, which is made of just plants, but it tastes like beef. So that was something new which I tried there and loved it because I like my meat. But it was made of plant, so it was something unique. Hi guys, so continuing with my trying on binging new restaurants in New York City, I am here to try Chinese cuisine in Hunan House, and this is near 6th Avenue around 50th Street. And I'm really excited to try the authentic Chinese cuisine here. And I have ordered chicken with spicy garlic sauce. And let me see how it is. And I'm loving the food. Let me show you all the food that I ordered. Okay, so the food was amazing but a bit spicy, so I wouldn't say it was authentic Chinese food, but it was definitely worth trying. Latitude Bar and Grill was the coolest bar I visited in NYC with the hottest servers around. My visit was even more worth remembering, not just because of the great Mexican food, but also because I visited it on Halloween and could sense the perfect scary vibes from the dressed up people all around. If you want to try Mexican food, don't miss this. Hey guys, so continuing to my food trying series, I'm today trying Italian cuisine, and this is a very famous restaurant, Sabro. And since I'm on my way to Atlantic City, I wanted to try something cheesy and light, so I thought to try a pizza and share it with a friend because pizza is too much, and I wanted to try a strawberry for myself, so I got these. Let's see how it is. Sbarro is hands down one of the nicest Italian places with their food chains throughout the city, and not to forget the softest crust and the reasonable prices. Hey guys, so today I'm trying some other cuisine, and that is a Thai cuisine, and continuing to my various restaurant exploring episode on my channel, I am gonna review a Thai restaurant today, that is TOPAZ. So I am really liking the cozy hot ambience here, and let's see how the food is. I'm really excited to try the Thai cuisine because I've heard a lot of good reviews about this on Google as well. I read a lot of good reviews, so let's see how it goes. Let me show you the ambience on this, which I'm really liking it. It's very cozy and nice place. TOPAZ is my favorite restaurant in the whole wide New York City. I would be down to go there every single day. On this particular day, I ordered a simple mango salad and they made it extravagant and super yummy. My friends ordered some fried rice and noodles and they were so happy about it. But yeah, the Thai twist in the mango salad won. Now, I don't know exactly how to pronounce the name of this place, Menkoi Thai, but it had some amazing ramens to offer. And if you are in NYC, don't forget to try ramens. I would highly recommend GEORGIO'S if you are looking for a place to have a nice breakfast. Located in the Hell's Kitchen area of NYC, this had a traditional ambience and a huge variety to offer in breakfast, but they have a huge queue and this place is super crowded all the time. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you might have found this very interesting. Please let me know your review in the comments below. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of all the videos that I upload. Thanks, bye-bye.